here on some of the riprap at John's Pass, you can see we have chlorophyta, more of that green algae, and this green algae actually belongs to the genus Ulva, or sea lettuce. So this is a fairly common algae belonging to the genus Ulva. I also will point out some of that red algae you can see crusting in there. That is a branching red algae. Some of it's bleached out and other of it is a little bit of a darker red, belonging to Rhodophyta. And that, to me, from this distance, looks like it belongs to the genus Polysiphona. So we do have the some more red and green algae growing on these rocks, these hard surfaces. We also have the floating carapace of the sea urchin. We have mangrove leaves, a little bit of seagrass flotsam, leaves from sea grapes and such building up around here. And you can see we do have the riprap to abate erosion, as well as the seawalls, which we have discussed. So here at John's Pass, we have the typical erosion abatement. We have the barrier islands. We are at the intracoastal side, and we saw from the previous video some of the Gulf side. The last thing I will point out to you is an arthropod called the barnacle. We all know what barnacles are. They are little creatures that live encrusting on hard surfaces. They actually have appendages, so they are in the same group as crabs and insects on the land. The arthropods, they use these appendages for gathering food, plankton. So this is a brief stop at John's Pass, and we looked at the creation of a pass and some of the wildlife associated with them in this edition of Oceanography Coastal Processes.